Want to log into ESPN Fantasy Football on your computer? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open up any web browser in your laptop or PC. Now, you want to head over to fantasy.espn.com. The first thing you want to do here is enter your email address. You can log into ESPN with your My Disney account. If you don't have one, you'll be prompted to create one. Go ahead and click on Continue after you've entered your email address. Now enter your current password. Once you have entered that, click on the Login option. Now, a verification message will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and find that 6-digit code, then enter it over here. Remember that the code expires in 15 minutes, so you want to enter it before that. Once you have entered the code, click on the Continue option. And as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your ESPN Fantasy account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.